Hey friends, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to join Discord in PAPERGUIDE.ai. Once you're inside your account, guys, simply go ahead and go down to the lower left hand side where you have help, and you will have join Discord from those options there. Go ahead and click join Discord. You'll have a new tab open with a page where you can simply go ahead and start your display name. You can agree the conditions here, agree the terms, and you want to go ahead and click and continue. Now, once you go ahead and do it, let's say I type in learn AI as an example here, and I accept the terms. You see, the continue becomes there. And all I have to do, just simply click on that. Go ahead and says, wait, are you human? It's going to ask me to drag this wherever. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and verify. And here you're going to see right here that it loads me right into the Discord. Now, as you can see, it's going to ask me to go ahead and verify my date of birth. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to simply choose, for example, May, and I'm going to go ahead and say 15th, and I'm going to choose the year, and I'm going to say 1977 as an example. Then click and done. Now, as you can see, it's going to ask me for email and password to finish, and then you want to go ahead and do the same. Once you're finished, you should be able to fully successfully join the Discord. And as you can see, I'm inside a Discord community, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.